You understand English, but when it's time to speak, words disappear. And if this happens to you, this video is exactly for you. So hello everyone, this is Pooja Singh and welcome to English for English, right? And on this channel, many of you already know me for UGC Net English. But for a long time, many students have been asking one simple thing, ma'am, इंग्लिश समझ में तो आती है बट बोलने के टाइम पर कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आता है. सो डोंट वरी, UTC Net classes will continue exactly the same way. This spoken English series is an additional support, not a replacement. So let me tell you one truth, that most people don't have a grammar problem, right? They think that they have a grammar problem because they don't know grammar, that is why they have a problem speaking, but that's not the truth. The truth is that they have a confidence plus thinking problem. They have we are trained to write in English, but we are never trained to think and speak English, and that's where the problem begins. I'll give you just a simple example. In exams, you think quietly, right? You think, you frame your words and you write. But when it comes to speaking, your mind panics. And that is the thing we are facing the problem, right? So in this series, I will not teach you fake accents or the mechanical sentences as how you should repeat these things only. Because the very first thing is that we should start thinking in English. So what I'm going to teach you, I will teach you how to think in English first, how to speak without translating, and this is the major factor. And third, how to speak English fluently, naturally and confidently. Okay. And we all be doing that with slowly, practically, without fear. Now the question comes, who this series is for? ये किसके लिए होता है? And I'm using both the language so that you will be confident. So this series is for any students who is preparing for any competitive examination, all the aspirants for the competitive examination, working professionals for their workplace, and anyone on the planet Earth who feels shy while speaking English and think that yes, I can speak English, but they lack confidence some or other way. So this series is for everyone. If you can understand English, you are already halfway there, right? So after watching these series, my spoken English series, what one can expect? So I'll be uploading one spoken English videos every week. Means every week I'll be giving you one video that will be very short, practical, and that will purely based on your confidence, right? So we say ना, धीरे धीरे सब कुछ हो जाता है. So हम धीरे धीरे इंग्लिश भी बोलना सीखेंगे और ये सभी के लिए है. For everyone, for every girl, for every boy, for every woman, for every man, those who thinks कि हम समझ सकते हैं इंग्लिश लेकिन बोलने में हेजिटेशन हो रहा है. सो आई एम हियर विद यू. आप मेरे साथ प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. आप कमेंट में आपको जो लिखना है आप लिख सकते हैं. एंड दिस विल बी ग्रेट. ठीक है, आई एम विद यू एंड आई वॉन्ट एवरी वन टू स्पीक इंग्लिश. ठीक है, सो if you want to improve your English speaking, and if you found this video that yes, we can start our English speaking class, do let me know in the comment section that yes ma'am, we are ready, and write confidence below. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share with your friend those who want to speak in English but they lack confidence. उनको डर लगता है कि कैसे स्टार्ट करें, कहाँ से क्या करें. So this series is for them. And of course, if you're preparing for UGC NET English, don't worry, your regular classes will be coming as usual. So this is it for today. Keep learning, keep shining. कभी मत डरिए ज़िंदगी में, क्योंकि और सीखने का कोई एज नहीं होता है. So आज आप जहाँ भी हो, जिस स्टेट में भी हो, स्टार्ट कीजिए लिखना, बोलना मेरे साथ. आई एम विद यू. बाय बाय.